Oppressor. A person who treats others in a cruel or unfair way. The people fought against the oppressor. Many workers saw him as an oppressor. Succumb. To give in or stop fighting against something. He succumbed to pressure and changed his decision. She succumbed to temptation and ate the cake. Owing. Because of something. The match was cancelled owing to rain. Owing to heavy traffic, we arrived late. Quibble. To argue about small things that are not very important. Don't quibble over small mistakes. They quibbled about the price for a long time. Extravagance. Spending too much money or using more than needed. His extravagance caused money problems. Buying expensive things was an extravagance. Accursed. Thought to bring bad luck or cause problems. They blamed the accursed house for their troubles. He called it an accursed day because everything went wrong. Rupture. A break, tear, or split. A rupture in the pipe caused a leak. The earthquake caused a rupture in the road. Austerity. Living simply and spending as little money as possible. The family lived with austerity to save money. The company used austerity measures to spend less money. Pygmy. A very small person, animal, or thing. The pygmy goat was very small. They saw a pygmy deer in the forest. Profligate. Wasting money or things without thinking. His profligate spending used up all his savings. The company was criticized for its profligate use of money. Induction. The process of welcoming someone into a group or new position. Her induction into the team was celebrated. The induction ceremony was held on Friday. Drastically. In a very big or extreme way. Prices increased drastically in a short time. The weather changed drastically overnight. Consolidated. Join together to become stronger or larger. The schools were consolidated into one school. They consolidated their resources to work better together. Disruptive. Causing problems or stopping normal activities. His disruptive behavior annoyed the class. The storm was very disruptive. Tumultuous. Very noisy, busy, or full of strong feelings. The crowd gave a tumultuous welcome with loud cheers. They lived through a tumultuous time full of problems. Enormous. Very large or huge. They built an enormous building. The elephant was enormous. Reek. To have a very bad smell. The garbage reeked badly. His clothes reeked of smoke. Robust. Strong, healthy, and able to handle problems well. He has a robust body and rarely gets sick. The company has a robust system that works well. Myths. Stories or beliefs that are not true or not proven. Many myths exist about space. The teacher explained common myths. Vapid. Boring and not interesting. The movie was vapid and easy to forget. We had a vapid conversation that was not interesting. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.